Hi there, this tutorial shows how you can use the Acouso-ROOM analysis tool. To begin, click the Room Analysis button in the Acouso ribbon. Then you will be prompted to select a room within your Revit model. For this example, I'll select the Einstein's boardroom. Once selected, the Room Analysis window will open. On the left side of the window, you'll find key information about the selected room. At the top is the compliance section, which shows the room occupancy classification, along with the recommended sound level and target reverberation time for the type of occupancy you've selected. Below that is the geometry section, which displays the room height, floor area, and total volume. And underneath, you can see the reverberation time chart. This shows the RT60 value for the room across the standard frequency bands from 125 Hz to 4 kHz, along with the overall RT60 value for the space. In the center of the window, you can see a diagram of the room. You can click on any of the boundary surfaces in this diagram to select that surface. For example, clicking the upper interior selects the ceiling, clicking the lower interior selects the floor, and clicking any of the side boundaries will select the walls. Below the diagram is a room comments section where you can record any notes or design information relevant to the space. On the right side, you can see a table listing all surfaces in the room, including the ceiling, walls, and floor. For each surface, the table displays the surface type, the surface area, the finished material, and any acoustic treatment applied. Selecting a surface in this table will highlight the corresponding surface in the diagram, and vice versa. When a surface is selected, the Finish Material tab shows the material currently applied to that surface. You can view its acoustic rating and other material information, and if you want to change the material, simply select a new material from the list and add that material. This will replace the finished material assigned to that surface. You can also add additional acoustic treatment to a surface. To do this, select the surface and switch to the Acouso Treatment tab. Here, you can select an acoustic material and specify the area of treatment to apply. For this example, if we want to add treatment to the ceiling, we could select the NRC 0.7 material. The software will estimate how much of this material may be required to satisfy the reverberation target. For this example, we'll add 10 square meters of treatment for safety. And after clicking Add Material, the treatment is applied to the selected surface. And now on the left, the reverberation calculations have updated automatically and now show the new acoustic performance of the room. The outlined bars represent the reverberation time before treatment, while the solid bars show the updated values after treatment. In this example, the RT60 has reduced to 0.69 seconds, which now satisfies the recommended reverberation time of 0.8 seconds. This means the room now passes the acoustic requirement and no additional treatment is needed. And that's how you can use the Acouso-ROOM analysis tool to evaluate and improve acoustic performance of a space.